If you find that not enough coffee is coming through or coffee's leaking in the top part of your Bosch Tassimo Joy, then hopefully this video is going to help you out. We're going to take out and clean the nozzle, the piercing unit. So first things first, we're just going to turn off the machine, just down here, and we're going to lift this bit up here. We're going to remove any old pods, and we're going to remove this grey thing here. To remove this grey thing, you're going to lift it up, and it's going to come out from the back there, just like so. Just comes out from that bit. Put that to one side. And this is the piercing unit here, the nozzle. So what we want to do is we want to push up from this bit here. So on the grey bit, just down here, we're going to push up and it's going to pop up from here. So I'm going to use my thumbs and I'm going to push up from the grey nozzle at the bottom, and it's going to lift this whole unit up. There we go. And it lifts this all out here. We're going to bring this over to the sink and give it a nice good clean. Also, while you're here, give all this a clean as well. So get yourself a cloth and just get rid of all the coffee from around the place. You want to make sure that this rubber seal is nice and clean, and also this barcode reader at the front needs to be nice and clean. As well, you've got an opportunity to give this grey thing a nice good clean as well. But the most important thing is this here, because this might be blocked. So we're going to go over to the sink, and I've got some cotton swabs as well, some Q-tips. So I'm just going to use some warm water and I'm going to just rinse it right the way through. We want both of these to be completely clear. Now I can see that the small one's clear, the big one I can't see through, but this is where I'm just going to use a Q-tip and I'm just going to push it all the way down, and you can see it's coming out this edge here. So this must be nice and clear. And we'll give it a good wash through. So now when I look through, I can see right the way through the big hole, and I can see through the bottom hole as well. So let's put this back in the machine now. So we're going to be popping this back in now, so just line it up like that with the biggest flat part against the barcode reader, and we're just going to force it down. And it clicks into place nicely. And then we're going to get this grey pod holder, and we're going to put this bit here in the very back here. So line it like so and just push it down. There we go, and now you can see that that is all moving nice and freely. So hopefully now you'll find the next time you make coffee that all the coffee will be coming through here and you won't get any leaks or anything up in this area. If the video's helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.